नमस्कार, मैं हूं रूप सिंह गुसाई और आप देख रहे हैं एएनसी इंडिया। सभी दर्शकों का बहुत स्वागत है। और आज हम पहुंचे हैं गुड़गांव में। गुड़गांव का ये गुवाहाटी का सेक्टर 49 है और यहाँ पर बॉडी क्राफ्ट क्लिनिक का उद्घाटन होने वाला है। और जैसा कि चाहे वो महिला हो या फिर पुरुष, हर कोई सुंदर दिखना चाहता है, अपने शरीर पर जो है साज सज्जा करना चाहता है, ब्यूटीफुल बना रहना चाहता है। और ये ब्यूटीफुल क्लिनिक है बॉडी क्राफ्ट का। और यहाँ पर जो है कुछ खास उपकरणों के द्वारा और कुछ एक्सपर्ट्स के द्वारा जो है बॉडी को उसको क्लिनिकली जो है यहाँ पे जो है तैयार किया जाता है उसकी बॉडी को। तो ये एक अपने आप में एक माध्यम है और एक बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि बहुत तेज़ी के साथ जो है डॉक्टर मिक्की सिंह के जो है ये इस तरह के क्लिनिक जो है देश भर में खुलते जा रहे हैं। और अभी हाल ही में पहले भी गुड़गांव में खुला था, ये सेकंड है, तो
फेज 2 में है।
यस, तो इसी को जो है हम यहाँ पर जो है आप तक पहुँचाने के लिए यहाँ पहुँचे गुड़गांव में। और आगे की खास रिपोर्ट हमारे सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट संजय जैन के द्वारा आप तक पहुँचाने की कोशिश करूँगा। इसमें मेरे सहयोगी हैं अब्दुल और मेरे कैमरामैन है व्यास कुशवाहा।
Friends, good morning. This is Sanjay Agarwal. I'm joined by the influencer Hina Kaul, and today we are in Sector 49, Gurugram. This is Bodycraft Saloon, the second saloon which is opening in Gurugram. So now we'll ask Hina ma'am. She will tell us about how she feels to be part of this. You know, she's a kind of a brand ambassador, I would say, when they're coming here. Yes. And then she has a corporate background. So over to ma'am. Hina ma'am, आप थोड़ा सा बताएंगे?
Sure.
You can do it in Hindi and English both.
I am fine. So hi, I'm Hina Kaul and I'm actually a big fan of Bodycraft Skin and Cleaning because Bodycraft Skin and Clinic had its first branch in Bangalore, and I also was in Bangalore for many years, and I used to visit Bodycraft in Bangalore as well, and I'm so happy and glad that they have opened their second flagship store in just a span of 2-3 months. They have opened their first branch on Golf Course Road just few months ago, and here we are getting the news that they have opened another branch in just 2-3 months, so they are doing so well and their services are superb. I myself have taken a lot of services and I can tell you from my experience that they are superb. Their trainers are, very skilled people, those who are doing services on you. So you are going to be in right hands, and they have all the latest technologies and services which you are looking for. So you must visit Bodycraft's Skin and Salon, which they have opened on Vatika Road, right?
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Today we are at Bodycraft Salon and we have Chitali. So just to introduce, she's a TEDx speaker, and today she's come here as one of the chief guests. And we would just like to know this Bodycraft Salon. This is the second one. They started in Bangalore many years back, and now they're the second one, the flagship one. So how do you feel to be here?
I think it, first of all, instinctively feels really nice and positive. I love white, even though I'm wearing black today. So I think it's very peaceful. It's nice the way they've kind of laid it out. It's an in-salon and in-clinic kind of a service. So they've, brought the best of both worlds together, which is absolutely amazing, because a lot of times you have to go to a dermatologist clinic separately for your treatments, and then you have to go to a spa or for a, for your nail service or for your pedicure separately. So I think that's a good combination that they've been able to get
So
together.
under one roof, you would
On
say.
the one roof, yes.
And normally, how many times do you visit a salon?
I am actually someone who likes to get many pedis more. I don't get a lot of skin treatments, but I think with Bodycraft here and with Dr. Mickey, would love to try on some.
He's there. We were there the last time when they opened that, Delay Phase 2.
Yeah.
And they've got those IV drips.
Oh yeah,
Got some
I've
fillers
got-
also. So are you ready for that?
Well, fillers I still have to think about. That is not something I've thought about. IV drips also, let me think about it a little bit. But yeah, sure. There are many other treatments and some interesting ones at that I can definitely try out.
Okay. And मेरा दूसरा सवाल, आखिरी सवाल, it's हिंदी में है कि आजकल the women
Yeah.
जो हमारे महिला वर्ग है, we have Karwa Chauth, Indian festival where everybody is going to the parlors, right? And they want to look beautiful.
Absolutely.
So आपके लिए, what does you think is the women's beauty? उसको कैसे describe करेंगे, and what they should do to remain beautiful?
I always believe that, beautiful women are the ones that are the happiest. Beauty is always inside out. Yes, we focus a lot about what we put on our face and, the kind of creams, moisturizers, sunscreens that we use. But it's really important to know that a good diet and, just keeping the stress levels in control. We all live a very high stress lifestyle is really important. And then, of course, Bodycraft is here. Dr. Mickey is here to help you if you have any skin concerns, from hyperpigmentation, melasma, anti-aging.
Everything. So thank you, Chitali, and I just want to add कि Chitali जी ने जैसे बताया that the inner beauty is more important. जो अंदर महिला, and she has to remain, घर का भी करना है, she has to manage the offices also. So they should visit Bodycraft Saloon, I think once at least.
Even the men, for that matter, yeah, because it's a unisex salon, so why
We'll
not?
be going under the table.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice meeting you. I'm joined with Dr. Mickey Singh. So Dr. Mickey, you will tell us more about this project.
So the idea was initially it was just the salon and the spa, and what we've done now is we've got the clinic under the whole banner. So we have the salon and the clinic together, making it a holistic place for all your beauty needs.
Okay. And we were just taking it around. So I saw some where people they have IV drips.
So yeah,
So
that
what is
is
IV?
quite the new sensation. These are more drips that are given for healthy skin, healthy body. Again, like I said, a very holistic approach. Most of these contain multivitamins which are needed by the body, may not be available in the food that we eat. We can take them orally, but oral absorption is not as good. So when you give it through the intravenous or through IV, through your bloodstream, it is entirely absorbed, and the results are more quicker as opposed to, say, a vitamin or an antioxidant that you would take. So you've got drips for various things. You've got for hydration, you've got a sports reboot, we've got drips which improve your metabolism, so they help in weight loss. We've got drips for hair fall, we've got drips for glowing skin, aging skin, so on and so forth.
Everything.
everything.
And another thing is, like last time, मेरा एक सवाल था आप लोगों से, any which is salon is opening, so the women, especially, they want to look for membership, annual club membership, where they frequent more often. So, Abhi, what are the packages?
I'm sure there's something.
There is?
We always have something good happening. This is the end of the year, festive season, lots happening. Vacations coming up, so people want to look good, and we obviously will have a lot of offers for you.
So as मैम ने जैसे हिंट करा है मुझसे कि वो सब लोग आप लोग बॉडी क्राफ्ट सैलून में आइए गुरुग्राम में. दिस इज सेक्टर 49 and this is a landmark. Vatika City is there and we have the MG automobile showroom also nearby. तो सब लोग आइए. मैम ने हिंट भी करा है कि अभी फेस्टिवल सीजन बिगनिंग हुआ है, वेडिंग सीजन है. So appear, be your best, come here, take the advice.
Look your best, feel your best.
Feel your best. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Friends, this is Sanjay Agarwal. So as we've got you the special report for Bodycraft Saloon, and this is a flagship store today, which is opened in Gurugram, Sector 49. So all men, women can visit here. And as Dr. Mickey Singh has told that the festival season, we have Christmas around the corner, और हमारा जो भारत में wedding season है, that is also started now. So people who are going to different places for weddings, for birthday parties, for kiddie parties, so they should come here and experience Bodycraft Saloon. And if you have any questions related to the Bodycraft Saloon, so please write us in the comment box. So we will take the query to Bodycraft and then reply you. So this is Sanjay Agarwal signing off.
तो हमारी ये रिपोर्ट आपको कैसे लगी, अपने सुझाव और विचार हमारे साथ जरूर साझा कीजिएगा. जैसे कि मैंने पहले कहा था कि हमारे सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट संजय जैन की रिपोर्ट थी. इसमें हमारे सहयोगी थे अब्दुल और हमारे कैमरामैन व्यास कुशवाहा के साथ मैं रूप सिंह गुसाई. आप सभी से अनुमति चाहता हूँ, जल्द मिलूंगा. तब तक आप अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. नमस्कार, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद, जय भारत.